Guys, in this video tutorial we're going to just quickly show you how to turn on dark mode in Facebook on your phone. So just click on your profile, scroll down, settings and privacy, and then you've got dark mode here. Click that. You can turn it on, and that's dark mode right there. Or you can go back to where we were. You've got dark mode. You say use system settings. So whatever your phone's system setting is in regards to dark mode from the top, so you can see I've got dark mode, whatever that setting is, it's going to do that default. So whatever my phone setting is. So that's basically how you turn on dark mode on Facebook and your phone as well. Thanks for watching.